Hey there, you doers. Just want to give you a quick update on my paint repair for my peeling paint on my Honda Odyssey 2014. I did a video about 18 months ago and then one about 7 months after that. I just want to give you another update on how it's going. As you can see, it's still holding out really well. Just want to share with you a couple lessons learned or things I may do differently next time. If hopefully there's not a next time actually, but as you can see here, you can see this faint, sort of darker area. I think I would have put more primer, white primer down to make sure that I blocked better the gray underlayer here, and I think that would have helped make this less dark here. As you can see here, it's less obvious. I think I did a better job up here. And a couple other things, when I use the tape to check for any more loose paint, I should have went up, especially up here, I should have went right to the edge. So there's this little bit of a jagged area here, and I'm probably the only one that notices it, but I could have done that, so then it would have been a clean edge. The other thing I'm noticing is that this gets more dirty for some reason, you know, here and here. More so on this part. Here I wiped it off and it, you know, looks pretty good now. Here I had to really scrub it off, and I just used the basic scrub sponge, and then I used my glass cleaner here, and I was able to get it back. And so it seems like the clear coat attracts more dirt, and so if I could do it differently and I had a buffer, I'd probably buff it out at the end, the clear coat. If you have any ideas, please leave them in the comments. But overall, again, in my video, I did this for like under 50 bucks, right? And it's great. So it's much better than the paint peeling, flaking off. So hopefully that's helpful. If you haven't watched my video and you're having peeling paint issues on your white Honda, or I think other vehicles are having the issue, please watch that video. And I'm actually gonna create a video on repairing the top of my van, because I think some folks, just like my van, have also peeling roofs of their van. And so I have another video that I'm working on. So once I get that done, I'll share that with you. All right, you doers, stay safe. Let's get things done. And thanks for your support.